Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy, creamy, fluffy chocolate mascarpone frosting. It is super simple to make, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, as well as loads of variations, loads of extra ingredients you can add in. But there are actually only 4 ingredients in this frosting, and it's beautiful to enjoy with cupcakes or to frost a cake, or with brownies, or even to sandwich some cookies together. But I'll write all that down in the blog post down below, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this decadent chocolate frosting a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. Start by pouring a cup of cream into a bowl, and then I'm going to use electric beaters and whisk until it just starts to come together into whipped cream. There you go, it's just kind of starting to thicken because we're still going to whip it a little bit more. We don't want to over whip it, so now we'll add in the other ingredients. Starting with the mascarpone, I popped a half a cup of mascarpone in and just give that a whisk through. See how beautiful and creamy and luxurious that is. Now we are going to add in the cocoa powder and sugar. Now for both the cocoa powder and the sugar, we want to pop it over a sieve to get any of those lumps out. And I'm actually going to go for 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. It's just up to you how chocolatey you want it. You can go more, you can go less. It is up to you. So 1 tablespoon, 2, and the 3rd and final spoon. And now for the powdered sugar, I'm going to go 2 really heaped tablespoons. But yeah, it really depends on you, the chocolate to sugar ratio you want, whether you want it sweeter or whether you want it more dark and chocolatey. Just change it around. And the 2nd tablespoon. There you go, that is perfect. And now start on low so it doesn't kind of go everywhere. We're going to whisk all of that in. And there you go, my mascarpone chocolate frosting is done. It is rich and decadent and just so incredible. Now you need to kind of use this straight away. So have your cake, cupcakes, brownies, you can even sandwich cookies together with it, whatever you want to use it in, just have it ready to go, perfect and cooled, and then it's good to go. So that is the video for today for how to make this lovely, decadent, creamy, just beautiful chocolate mascarpone frosting. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what other frostings you'd like me to share. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, as well as loads of variations and extra ingredients beyond the 4 that were in the core recipe. So yeah, click through for that. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.